The SC1500 stand-on unit. It's a scrubber that comes in a 20-inch cleaning path. It's available with REV technology, which is random orbital scrubbing, or the standard 20-inch disc type scrubbing. And the machine is quite accessible as it opens up. You have the ability to access the tanks very easily for quick clean out, easy access to the batteries, and of course our onboard dilution control system, EcoFlex, which is economical and flexible and allows you to use the product you want at the properly diluted rate, which we set on the dashboard. Onboard charging system, standard on all units, and the power cord is right up front here, so we can unwind this and plug it right into the wall. And again, it's a fully automatic charger, so it turns on automatically, and when the batteries are fully charged, it shuts off automatically. One of the nice features inside this tank comes with a debris cage. Allows you to catch all the large debris that keeps the tank from clogging, and maybe more importantly, the floor drains from clogging. Float shut-off protection in there as well that protects the vac motor from ingesting water. And we button this all right back up. In the front of the machine here, we have a nice big sealed cap that allows you to fill the tank and seal it tightly without having to worry about anything splashing out. The Squeegee System is probably the easiest in the industry to take off. Flip of a lever, the whole squeegee comes right off with these two grab points here that grab those studs and hold it in place. There's also a kickstand here, which allows you to double scrub if you want to get the squeegee off the ground. You simply lift it up and you put that kickstand down, and now it keeps the squeegee off the ground for double scrubbing. And take this off one more time to show you the permanent pad holder. So just spin this pad around and it comes right off. Tools for removal of the rear blade for quick change out. And of course the squeegee goes right back on. And the super stretch hose comes right back over in place. And the squeegee is there. This is the operator recognition lever and the yellow go pedal. So nothing's going to happen until a person is standing on the machine. If you look at the dash here, the key is on. It tells us they got an hour meter and our battery is full. When I depress the green go button, you'll hear some buzzing and whirring, but the deck goes to the floor and the squeegee's now on the floor. And we got our major functions here. We can put it in vacuum off, vacuum quiet mode, or full vacuum strength. Our water flow, we got 3 different bars, so it's either off, low, medium, or high flow. And then brush pressure, it's either low pressure or high pressure. And of course the onboard dilution control, we have a low flow setting and a high flow setting, and that can be programmed depending upon the specifications of the cleaner, usually somewhere around 2 ounces per gallon. EcoFlex mode, you get your boost of cleaning power by depressing that, and for 60 seconds we will increase the water flow and the brush pressure and the dilution ratio for a 60-second period to handle maybe a high traffic area or some heavy soiled areas. The forward and reverse is right here on the dash, and maybe more importantly, so is the accelerator. So when I want to go forward, I can adjust the speed right here on the dash, which is very ergonomic. I don't have to transfer any weight on my feet to make the machine go faster or slower. The speed is right here on the dash. Full circuit breaker protection up here, emergency shut off as well, key operated, and a safety horn. Okay, as we tilt the main hood forward here, we put the hood prop on, and then we tilt the recovery tank back. You can see the maintenance-free batteries here, 24-volt system. We got the two 12-volt batteries. We got our EcoFlex bottle for your product. And then, of course, when we close this back down, you can see the recovery tank with the float shutoff and the debris tank, which allows us to catch large debris that won't clog the tank or the floor drain. And that's removable for cleaning. Nice gasket here, gives you a good seal on the deck, some good suction on the floor. So as this comes down, and then we latch it back up, and here's the drain hose. Pinch and pour drain hose, which allows us to bring this over to a floor drain or a slop sink. Pops right back in there. sight tube, see how much solution is left in the tank. And a very convenient drain hose with a ball valve that allows you to drain any solution that might be left in the tank before you go to storage. On the side of the machine here, you'll see there's a shutoff valve, which allows you to shut off the water flow, to get very easy access to the permanent filter there. It's a stainless steel screen which you can take out and rinse easily, and it's quite accessible.